This is Appeal IQ, the local and secure AI solution for commercial real estate property tax. This is a way for commercial real estate property tax professionals to interact with AI, leverage AI for their work without forking over sensitive data like client specific data to the cloud. Runs on local hardware and local models, meaning it never touches a data center, the cloud, or somebody else's servers. We do have a pretty cool hybrid model set up so where it can run on a cloud model for research, but private data that we input or use never touches it. So just to start, this is the agent, Ike. Ike would then be able to access everything on the computer where the model is running off of. And so whatever files, property data, lease data, rent rolls are on there, you could sift through that, leverage that, and use that in your research without any worry about client data security. Let's go ahead and run a quick analysis. This is a property down here in Nashville that I wanted to test it on. So we'll go ahead if you wanted. Like I said, you could put stuff in here, drop files or just extra info for help on the private side or on the public side for the research purposes. But for right now, we'll just run it cold. It'll do a little quick analysis and pull from some data sources. Um, Gives you everything you need right away just for the initial part. And then we'll go ahead and click full research memo, and that'll start up here. I will pause so that we don't have to sit here for 4 to 7 minutes, but it should be done about the 4 minute mark. Then I'll come back and we can take a look. While that is wrapping up, actually, this is another really cool feature. Build a case we'll get into after this is done, but portfolio scan. If you've got a client who handed you 100, 500, 1,000 properties, and you're like, all right, we got to get all the initial data like we did before, you could plug that in here. We could turn that into a workbook, leveraging local secure AI. Let's go back and see if that's done. About a minute 45 should be done in a few. So that wrapped up. Gives you a little report here, property analysis with the address. Bottom line, just findings. Lists all your property data here. Your beneficiary classification, some submarket and market conditions. So, a basic valuation analysis. And the key here is not that Appeal IQ provides our own analysis, it's that we build this as custom software around you and your firm, your team, so that it does analysis alongside you the way you would like it to, in a way that's most helpful, most effective, especially for your style. So this is all some relevant data, things that could be useful, and then we'll use this and build a case. It'll load this all into here. It'll load our comps in. You can go down here and set your market assumptions, lease structure, how you want to, do the weighting, whether, mostly income, all income, and then we'd build a case and then build you a nice little report. Now, this is not accurate because I didn't adjust the market conditions properly, but this is what you'd have to look at here. It would give you an indication, obviously, probably not correct here, but this is how it would work, just on a case by case basis. And then you could save this and be able to go talk with Ike about it and do some work, and it becomes an AI workstation and database for your property tax appeal work. I wanted to share that today. Very excited to work with more teams and serve more teams with this.